Alright, what's going on, guys? So today I'm going to show you guys the secret stock menu for the E90. So for a lot of these E90s, they didn't come with an iDrive system. You know, if there was an iDrive system, there'd be a little knob, there'd be a little kind of like another arch, and you'd see the infotainment system. And I had one person from my comments ask me, how are my angel lights on without my daytime running lights on? Without my daytime running lights being on. So this is what I'm sure his car looks like. Well, it's kind of washed out. So if I come closer, you see my rings, and those are the daytime running lights. So again, ring with daytime off. And without an iDrive system, it's a little bit annoying. Alright guys, so it's pretty simple. So if you guys don't know what I mean by the secret stock menu here. Alright guys, so it's pretty simple. So this is the stock that I'm talking about, and it's gonna be a few simple motions to learn how to use it. So all you're gonna need is to move this up and down and to press the BC button. So when I say up, I'm moving up. When I press down, I'm pressing down. And when I say I'm pressing enter, all I'm doing is pressing the BC once. That's it. Alright, so once you're looking at the screen, you're gonna go ahead and press down once, and you're gonna see P set. Then you're gonna press down again. So using the up and down menu, these are gonna be all your kind of little settings. Now I'm sure you guys know, you can, this is where you set your time, your date, your service info. But when it comes to these two let you change the little kind of small details you wouldn't really have anywhere to change. Like I said, up is up, down is down, BC is enter. So we're gonna go ahead and press down once, and you will see this. You will see this menu. So generally, if you press up and down, you'll see this menu. Now I'm sure you guys have used it before, maybe to set the time, the date, and stuff like service info, but this is for the secret menu, and it's going to be these two right here. So these are kind of like key fob settings, I assume, because it has a little key symbol, but you can do a lot more than that. So more specifically, the comment I got was, how do you change or how do you turn off the daytime running lights? How do you make sure they're not on but your angel lights are? So let me show you that. We're going to go to the key with the check mark, press enter, and this is where a lot of the secret settings are. So I'll go over some of these before I get into the meat and potatoes, which is the daytime running lights. At the top is going to be this. So this controls whether your car flashes or not once you lock it. This is when you unlock it. I believe this is something with your door locking once you start driving or close the door, something like that. Automatic, oh no, that's that. So I'm not sure what that is. Maybe you guys can tell me. I got a lot of secrets in here. This is your parking lights and how long they're on, but what we're looking for is this. This is your daytime running light settings. So you're gonna go ahead and press BC, and you can control whether they're on or off. So you just saw them on. I showed it to you guys in the beginning of the video. We're gonna go ahead and click it off. Boom. And a few seconds later, a couple stock settings later, bulbs are out. Simple little setting, quick to find, quick to get to. You don't need iDrive, and it makes the car look a whole lot better. I'll put on some before and afters. Pictures of what my car used to look like before I figured out how to do this, and after. Alright guys, simple as that. Let me know what you guys want to see next. I'll see you guys in the next one.